Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have TFUEL, FUEL daily update. Before we begin though, join our monthly subscription guys. You take easy profits, you can cancel it anytime you like. And of course, you will have many more benefits, personal guidance, and anything you like, try it out. Also, join our Telegram group chat. Both links are in the description down below. The reason I don't post the links in the comments is because of the scammers, guys. I don't want the scammers to get involved, and I don't want you to get confused, guys, with the scammers, because scammers also provide some links. Stay away from them, guys. Don't even trust the ones that give you WhatsApp number, or the ones that tell you that I've spoken with this guy that gives signals, and of course like everything like that. So let's see now TFUEL. TFUEL, guys, is on the 45 to 46 cents. You can see here we are trying to go upwards, we are trying to close above, and eventually we want to see if we can go to 50 cents or there, around there, guys, to 50-51. First, this is our first target, guys, 50 cents right here. Of course, if we go above the 49 to 50, then it is very possible to go to 51 or around 53, which is our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Should we go in there? Do we have to go into the 53? We might go, guys, but we might not. It is more likely that we go to 49, but we will daily update, of course. Right now, what we need to see is eventually if we can go above the 46 cents, right? So we need to see that. And of course, guys, 47, you can see the resistance levels, and the 41 cents, which is now our major support level after going to the 0.618 35 cents. You can see the buying pressure here, the buying pressure. That means we had hit a bottom, a short term bottom. Let's go now to the MACD. The MACD here, we had a bullish recross. However, guys, what I told you is that we lost a critical support level, this one right here, and I didn't want to lose that. And you can see that we lost the support on the MACD. We just had a lower low than this one right here, guys, which was pretty strong support level, and we closed beyond. We didn't close actually beyond, we went beyond the support level. I didn't like that, and so we pinned a new bottom, right? So for me, the price was not good, the price action was not good, and of course the MACD, guys, was actually not the best, because we want to see in the 4-hour frame higher highs and higher lows for the MACD, and of course the signal line that follows the MACD, right? So we want to see higher lows and higher highs, and eventually breaking some important resistance levels. Let's go now to the commodity channel index in the RSI. You can see now the SSL channel has the green line above the red line. This means we have a buying opportunity. But according to the SSL channel, we have a buying opportunity. What happens if let's say that we have buying opportunity here, but actually the price drops? This indicator, guys, isn't alone enough to tell us that we have clearly a buying opportunity, right? Because sometimes it is good, sometimes it is wrong. I'm quite thinking of removing this indicator right here, but I will see about that. Let's go now to the RSI. In the RSI, you can see we were into an extremely oversold situation. Once you see the RSI even below the 30, guys, this means that we are going into a critical oversold situation. You can see here the commodity channel index as well was below, way below -100, right? But because RSI was below the 30 level, our bottom line, it was a must, guys, that price would go upwards. We would see a swing high, right? So now we are, what is the current situation right here? We are at -24, we are inside this gray zone, we don't have any oversold situation for now. What we hope for now is to go above the 100, to go into an overbought situation. That way, guys, we can push upwards all the way. Same here for the RSI. We hope to go even higher for TFUEL. Let's see now the daily frame. And the daily frame, guys, For the SSL hybrid, nothing changes. We don't have a blue arrow. We don't have a buying opportunity yet on the daily frame. Let's see a little bit the Bollinger Bands to see where are we, guys, for now. For now, we are not in the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. Therefore, we don't have an extremely oversold situation or an extremely overbought situation. And you can see when we approach the top line, guys, we are going back down. When we approach the bottom line, we are going back in. Let's see now the daily commodity channel index. According to the daily commodity channel index, we have more room to correct. So the daily, guys, means the midterm for around 10 days or maybe more, guys, or maybe more, even a month. And we might correct a little bit more, right? Same here for the RSI. We might correct more. We are in the middle yet, and we want to see if commodity channel index will go down all the way and then climb up, or if it will stop around here and then climb up. We want to see if we can eventually get a lower like that and then have a swing high for the commodity channel index. Let's see the MACD, guys. The MACD on the daily, the blue line, crossed the signal line, and now it is looking very, very bearish. And I told you guys, as soon as we see that, then it is pretty bearish for TFUEL, and now we saw that, and you can see that the MACD all the way goes down, right? So let's see now TFUEL, guys, Bitcoin. TFUEL Bitcoin is looking okay, it is looking very much better, guys, than the TFUEL USDT chart, because you can see here we didn't approach a lower low than this. Instead, we stopped a little bit higher, and then we had a huge buying pressure. So the TFUEL Bitcoin chart, guys, isn't looking bad at all, right? Even on the 4-hour frame. What we hope for, though, here is to go above the 20-day first, and secondly above the 50-day MA. Also, we hope for a bullish cross. The 20-day MA, the yellow line, crosses above the red line, the 50-day exponential moving average. We need that. It is a bullish cross, and of course we need a further distance, like this, for example, guys, here, where we had the bullish cross, we had the price going up, and then eventually we found a top, then we corrected. And of course, guys, you can see that we need to see a momentum where we can break the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA. Let's see the RSI, not in an oversold situation, guys. Commodity channel index, of course, not in an oversold situation right now. What we hope for, and here too, is that we go above the 100 for the commodity channel index, and of course above the 70 for the RSI. The MACD looks exactly like, actually not exactly like TFUEL in the USDT chart, because we haven't gone beyond this critical support level, although we lost our previous one, so it doesn't look so good, right? Let's go now to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we are looking very good, guys, and we have made the 20-day MA as a support level. Once we lose this, once we crumble down, this won't be looking good, but for now we are still good. Even if we make the 50-day MA as our support level, we will be fine. If we go down from the 50-day, then we are not good. And you can see that the more distance we have between the price and, of course, the 20-day MA, the more risk we have. We have to let the exponential moving averages reach the price, right? So according to the daily, we can correct more. You can see the RSI, you can see the commodity channel index. This is the RSI, guys, this is the commodity channel index, and the MACD, we had the bearish cross, not so good, but we keep our performance, guys, because we are heading all above the 20-day EMA. Let's hope that we make this, we will still make this as a support level. So let's go to the price analysis, guys, and the reason I want to go there is because now we depend a lot on Bitcoin. We are not in an impulsive wave to outperform Bitcoin, for example, or something like that. Now we depend a lot on Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin can do. I believe, guys, maybe we can have another bullish scenario here. Maybe we can close a little bit above the 34,000, go to the 35,000, but you should be careful from now on, because you can see that on the commodity channel index we are not in an oversold or any overbought situation, so we can go either way up or either way down, and of course the RSI is the same. We can go either way up or either way down, right? We have seen that before. You can see that on 14th May, where we had our highest point around 43 RSI, then we went down, right? It is not necessarily that we move all the way upwards, but we might do that, and we hope that we do that in order to achieve our next price target, the 35,500. In case we do that, guys, then I believe TFUEL will easily be going to 51 cents around there. Let's see how much movement how much of a percentage Bitcoin has to go upwards, right? It has to go 8%. And TFUEL around here, let's say from here, guys, to 49 cents, around 7 to 51 cents, 10%. It is very logical to go to 51 cents, because by the time TFUEL might have a swing high against Bitcoin, right? And therefore it might move more upwards into a percentage than Bitcoin. So I believe it is very possible to see the 51 cents, even, guys, the 14 cents. So now things are very crucial. We are getting into a moment where we want to see if Bitcoin will keep having a swing high here and eventually retest the 35,500. As you can see, our first target was met, the 34,800, guys. We had a huge sell pressure here. We went beyond the 20-day EMA. Now we want to see if we are good to go and go even higher to 35,500, right? So eventually now our next price targets are the 49, of course, 51, and maybe the 52 to 53. If we don't achieve that, if Bitcoin doesn't go upwards into a critical moment like this, guys, then I believe TFUEL might go further down. But for TFUEL, I told you, even with a 3.0 mainnet launch, you should be very careful. I told you from the start, guys, we wanted to see if we could close above the 62 cents, because if we couldn't close above the 62 cents and make this as a support level, guys, make this line as a support level, then we couldn't go to 80 cents. And now we want to see for the short term if we can achieve these prices. This is due to the Bitcoin. We depend now a lot on Bitcoin, and guys, let's hope that we can see Bitcoin moving upwards and having another bullish run right here to 35,500. And of course, afterwards we will see what we will do. I will daily update. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.